Alright guys, so pretty excited, but today we're going to go ahead and unbox our first portion of the next process of our Ralliart build. So without further ado, let me cover my address. There we go, NRG OPS. If you're a Ralliart owner or an EVO owner, probably sounds familiar with you. So let's just go ahead and open this up and show you guys what I got. So keep in mind, this is box number 1. I have a couple more boxes that I still have to order. These things are a little pricey, so this one itself is going to run you around $450. So if you buy it right now, it has a little special going on. So everything that I'm building right now is for a new flex fuel system. Alright, there you go. There's what was in the box. Probably more helpful if I told you guys what exactly it was if you weren't familiar. So, this is the first portion of my flex fuel kit. So, yep, I'm going to be running flex fuel on my car. I have E85 here, have 93, have 91. However, I'm not going to always have that at all the gas pumps. I understand that, so no better way to go with flex fuel. Get some extra horsepower in the car and have myself some variety. There are a couple flex fuel systems out there. However, I decided to go with NRG OPS. They seem to be the most user-friendly from all the information I was able to gather myself. A little more expensive than the other ones, but I just like the concept of it, and I'll dive deeper into that when I go ahead and install this stuff. But here is one little harness, okay? Here is our, so this is going to be a Bluetooth system. I'm pretty sure this is for the Bluetooth right here. Here is the sensor itself. And here is a little fuel line. So, as all that is in this box. Should be a pretty straightforward and easy install. Not going to do it today. Just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I got. So let me go ahead and show you guys a little bit closer of a view. That way you know what to expect if you were to buy this setup. Forgot to mention there are instructions. It's just on his website itself. I believe it's nrgops.com. I'll lay it down in the description box below. You guys can pick up a pair for yourself. He also does sell a whole bunch of other things like under trays, things of that nature on his website. So pretty excited about this, honestly. It's going to be the first portion of the flex fuel build, and I'm pretty excited. So again, I thought this was the Bluetooth, and there it is, confirming. It says Bluetooth on there. Fuel It. That's going to be the app that you're going to have to go ahead and buy. You can get the app on your phone or your Android head unit, whatever you guys have. That way you can show your fuel content. And these hoses, they're going to be pretty handy dandy, I think. We'll see how easy these are to go ahead and put on and take off. And I can't remember the brand of this fuel sensor off the top of my head, but these are not generic, but Continental. So yeah, Continental fuel sensor. And yeah, these look like they're just plug and play to other portions out there for your fuel system. But yeah, there's that. There's the news. I'm actually going flex fuel. Pretty stoked about it, pretty happy, excited to get this all started, just to get the build that much closer to being done and preparations for the turbo build. Flex fuel sensor, checked it off my little to-do buy list. I still need to get ID 1300 cc injectors. I need 450 Walbro fuel pump, and I need an inline filter. So once I get those 3 things, filter, pump, injectors, I should be set to go ahead and find a tuner, get the car tuned on flex fuel, and see what kind of horsepower we can get out of a full bolt-on Ralliart. So that's goal number 1. After that, we'll go ahead with the turbo build, the EVO X turbo build. I have that sent in. My plan is to go to Turbos RS, Chris Robbins, he's the owner of it, does all the fabrication. Hear outstanding reviews from him, and good price for stock turbos if you want to go ahead and get those upgraded. Can't say I recommend them yet until I go ahead and get mine done, see how the process goes, but all good things I hear. So I'm gonna be setting my turbo out his way, and then I plan on getting an AMS wide mouth EVO 10 downpipe. So upgraded turbo, AMS downpipe, finish off the flex fuel system portions, maybe get a fuel rail, gonna need a new, I'm gonna ditch the boost pill, and I'm gonna get the Grimspeed boost control solenoid. Once I have all that, I think I can finally get my car ready to be tuned. So that is the overall goal for the Ralliart.